Good morning, students. Today we study about round of number. In round of number, my practice time 4. My practice time 4 is based on round of nearest 10, 100 and 1000. So first question of MPT4 is round of the following to the nearest tens. Round of the following to the nearest tens. So 26,571. So first we write 26,570. First we look the digit at the tens place. Then we look the digit right next digit. Ones digit, if the ones digit is below 4 or 4, so we write 0. Means 26,571 round of nearest 10 is 26,570. Okay. Now next is 23,679. So first we write 23,670. Now digit at the ones place is greater than 4. So we write here 80. Okay. If the digit at the ones place is greater than 4, so we write 80. His digit at the ones place is 9, so we write here 80. Now next is 24,589. Now the digit at the ones place is 9, so we write here 590. Okay. Now next is 1,45,785. 5 is also greater than 4, so we write here 1,45,790. Okay. So write down this in your notebook and rest all the question of question number 1 solve in your notebook. Now, next question is question number 2. Round off the following to the nearest 100. In previous question, we are doing the nearest tens, and the next question, round off the to the nearest 100. In nearest 100, we look the digit at the tens place. In nearest 10, we look digit at the ones place. In round off to the 100, we look the digit at the tens place. If the tens place digit is 5 or more than 5, so we write the next 100 digit. Means 13,478. Digit at the tens place is 7. So 7 is more than 5. So we write here 13,500. If the tens digit is more than 5 or 5, so we write to the next 100. So 400 plus 100, we write here 500. Okay. Now next is 18,566. So first we write 18,000. Now look the digit at the tens place. 6. So 6 is greater than 5. So we write here 600. 18,000. Sorry. Okay. 18,600. Now we solve the question B. 25,000 595. So digit at tens place is more than 5. So write the next 100 digit. 500 plus 100, 600. Okay. Now next is 1,23,569. Again 6 is greater than 5. So we write here 1,23,600. Okay. If the digit at the tens place is less than 5, so we write we subtract 100. Means if here's the digit is 4 or less than 4, so we write here 13,400. But in the question, digit at the tens place is more than 5, so we write here next 100. So 13,500. Okay. Write down these questions in your notebook and rest all the questions of question number 2 solve in your notebook. Now, next question number 3. Round off the following to the nearest 100. In tens, we look the digit at the ones place. In 100, we look the digit at the tens place, and to the round off to the nearest 1000, we look the digit at the 100 place. If the 100 place digit is less than 5, so we write means 23,678. So digit at the 100 place is more than 5. So we write here 24,000. Okay. Now next is 10,945. So digit at the 100 place is more than 5. So we write here 11,000. 11,000. Okay. Now in question number C, 28,196. So digit at the 100 place is less than 5. So we write here 28,000. Now next is 3,45,238. So digit at the 100 place is less than 5. So we write here 3,45,000. Okay. In round off to the nearest 10, we look the digit at the ones place. When we round off to the nearest 100, we look the digit at the tens place. And when we round off to the nearest 1000, so we look the digit at the 100 place. Means we have to look next digit. Okay. So write down these 4 questions in your notebook and rest all the questions of MPT4 solve in your notebook in neat and clean writing. Now, after rounding off the number, our next topic is Roman numerals. Okay? A numeral is a symbol used to write a number. A numeral is a symbol used to write number. The numerals 0 to 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0 to 100 that we use all over the world are called Hindu-Arabic numerals. Okay? 0 to 100 when we write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So they are called Hindu-Arabic numerals. Roman numeral system uses only 7 letters to represent whole number, all the numbers. ठीक है? Sorry. Okay? Roman numeral system uses only 7 letters to represent all numerals. 1, I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These are the 7 letters which are used in this system. In Roman numerals, we use only 7 letters I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Okay? So this is Roman numerals. In next, you just learn it. Don't write it or write down this in your notebook in neat and clean writing and learn it also. These 7 letters are important. Now I'll explain here a table of Roman numerals up to 20. How to write Hindu-Arabic number in Roman numerals. First we write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we write Roman numerals. Now 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? Now the Roman numerals of Hindu-Arabic numerals. 1, we write 1 in Roman numeral like this. Next, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? So, we write the numbers and in next column we write the Roman numerals of Hindu-Arabic numerals. So, we write 1 like this, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is a table of Roman numerals up to 20. Write down this table in your notebook in neat and clean writing and make this table also. Okay. Now, my practice time 5, empty 5 is based on Roman numerals. Write the following in Roman numerals. This is our question number 1. So we write here the Hindu Arabic numerals in Roman numerals. 5. So we write 5. 7. Write 7 in Roman numerals. Then 10. Then 14. So X. 14. Now 19. 19. So we write 19 like this. X I X. Now 11. 3. Okay. So our question number 1 is write the following in Roman numerals. 5. So we write V in Roman numerals. 7. V double I. 10 X. 14 X I V. This is the way to write in Roman numerals. 19 X I X. 9 plus X means 19. 11 X I. 3 triple I. Okay. Write down this in your notebook and rest all the question of question number 1. Write down in your notebook. Now in empty 5, question number 2 is write the following in Hindu Arabic numerals. VII 7. Double X means 20. X triple I means 30. 10 plus 10 20. X plus 3 means 10 plus 3 13. Now X plus 6. X plus 6 means 10 plus 6 16. Now this is 8. Okay. In Roman numerals we write triple X for 20, sorry, double X for 20, triple X for 30 and XL for 40 and L for 50. Okay. Always remember this also. Write down this in your notebook and rest all the question of question number 2 solve in your notebook in neat and clean writing. Now next question, word problems. In word problems we solve question 5. Simran had 40 pencils. Simran had 40 pencils. She shared the pencils equally into 5 boxes. So she had 40 pencils and she shared the pencils into 5 boxes. How many pencils were there in each box? Rewrite this problem using Roman numerals. Okay. So this is a question. We have to only rewrite this problem in Roman numerals. So Simran had 40. So we write 40 Excel. Okay. Pencils. She shared the pencils equally into how many boxes? 5. So we write V boxes. How many pencils were there in each box? Okay. So the question is, Simran had 40 pencils. She shared the pencils equally into 5 boxes. How many pencils were there in each box? So in this question, rewrite this problem using Roman numerals. Only rewrite this question into Roman numerals. So Simran had 40. We write 40 like this. XL pencils. She shared the pencils equally into 5. So we write here V boxes. How many pencils were there in each box? Okay, write down this in your notebook. Now, next word problem is Ankush has 7 pencils. Ankush has 7 pencils, 4 erasers and 9 sharpeners. So Ankush has 7 pencils, 4 erasers and 9 sharpeners. How many stationery items does he have altogether? Write down the answer using Roman numerals. So Ankush has pencils 7. Again, Ankush has erasers 7. Ankush has erasers 4. Now Ankush has sharpeners. Nine. Now next line is, how many stationery items does he have altogether? So 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4 plus 9. So 7 plus 4 equals to 11. 11 plus 9 equals to 20. So he have 20 stationery items. Okay, Ankush has pencils 7. Ankush has sharpener 9. Okay. So how many stationary items does he have altogether? So 7 plus 4 plus 9 equals to 20. So he have 20 stationary items. Okay. Question is, Ankush has 7 pencils, 4 erasers and 9 sharpeners. How many stationary items does he have altogether? So he has pencils 7. Ankush has erasers 4. We write here in numbers, and next we write the numbers in Roman numerals. Ankush has sharpeners 9. So 7 plus 4 plus 9. Because our question is how many stationary items does he have altogether? Altogether means we have to add 7, 4 and 9. So 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. So he have 20 stationary items. Okay. Now our next question is, my sister is 5 years younger than me. My sister is 5 years younger than me. If I am 20 years old, how old is my sister? Write the answer as a Roman numeral. Okay? So the question is, my sister is 5-year-old. First we write the ages. My sister is 5 years younger than me. If I am 20 years old, how old is my sister? So the age of brother is 20 years, means double X. Sister is younger. Sister is 5 years younger, means 20 minus 5. So 20 minus 5. Now last line is, how old is my sister? So 20 minus 5 equals to 15. 20 minus 5, 15. The age of sister is 20 minus 5. 20 minus 5 equals to 15. Okay. So the question is, my sister is 5 years younger than me. If I am 20 years old, how old is my sister? So the age of brother is 20 years. Sister is 5 years younger. We write here younger. Means 20 minus 5. 20 minus 5, 15. Double X minus 3. We write here 15 in Roman numerals. So the age of sister is 20 minus 5 equals to 15. Okay? Write down this in your notebook in neat and clean writing, and rest all the question of MPT4 and MPT5 solve in your notebook in neat and clean writing. And thanks for watching this video. Bye.